This button is called Assistive Touch Button, and it is a new feature that iOS 18 introduced us to. If we tap on this button, we can see many different options that are quite useful, like Siri, Control Center, and others. If this button is annoying you, I will show you how to disable it, so stay tuned until the end of the video to find out how. First thing that you are going to do is to open your Settings application and find and tap on the Accessibility option in order to go to the Accessibility section. When the Accessibility page opens, you need to scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on the Touch button, which is located in this section. Now the Touch section will open, and here you will see many different options that you can activate or deactivate, but the one that we are looking for is the Assistive Touch option, so let's tap on it. The Assistive Touch section will open, where you can see a lot of options like customizing the floating button, enabling the on-screen keyboard, and others. Here we need to tap on the toggle button on the right side of the screen in order to deactivate the floating button, and as you do that, you will see how the floating button disappears from your screen. If this tutorial was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more similar tutorials. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comment section down below, and I will come back to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.